Don't let insomnia control your life. Hello, lovely souls. Did you know that billions of people worldwide struggling with insomnia every night, every day? This common sleep disorder not only affects our quality of life, but can also lead to serious health issues if left untreated. But there is a solution, there is a best solution for that. I am happy saying a divine healer. And in this video, I will be sharing on how to overcome insomnia and achieve restful sleep. Be sure to watch the full video to discover the best solution for these challenging conditions. Remember, incomplete information is never beneficial. What is insomnia? Insomnia is a sleep disorder signals by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or both. It disrupts our natural sleep wake cycle and can have harmless effects on our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Let's understand the root cause of insomnia. The main reason for insomnia includes stress, anxiety, depression, irregular sleep patterns, bad sleep habits, and health problems. Knowing these reasons, helping in finding the right solution. There is a science behind the insomnia. The reason why insomnia happens is because it messes up how hormones work in the body, changing how the brain works and affects the level of certain chemicals in the brain. Understanding the science behind insomnia helps us figure out how to fix it. But how Pranic Healing can help? Pranic Healing offers a holistic approach to treating insomnia by rebalancing the body's energy system through energetic, cleansing, and energizing techniques. Pranic Healing promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and improves sleep quality. Why with Pranic Healing? Pranic Healing offers a natural and non-contact alternate to traditional medicines for treating insomnia. By using the power of universal energy and restoring balance to the body's energy system, Pranic Healing addresses the root cause of insomnia and promotes overall well-being. If you need more help after watching this video, know that I am here for you. If you are interested in trying energy healing sessions for your physical, mental, or spiritual needs, you can find all the information in the video description below. Now let's see how to manage insomnia before bedtime. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm the mind and body. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times. Try gentle exercises such as yoga or stretching during the day to reduce stress and promote relaxations, but avoiding vigorous activity close to bedtime. Create a small bedtime routine like reading a book or taking a warm bath to signal your body that it is time to wind down, it's time to go to bed. Limit screen time and expose to blue light. This exposure is not good. From electronics devices before bed, as it can interfere with your body's natural sleep, wake up cycles. These practices can complement the healing session and support your journey towards better sleep. And remember, don't let insomnia control your life. Take charge of your sleep, health with Pranic Healing, and experience the transformative power of a good night's sleep. Blessings, happy soul.